leave me a comment and I'd be more than happy to help you. If this video did help you, be sure to give it that thumbs up and subscribe for future Rust videos. Stay rusty, my friends.
Chances are you didn't select this video to ask questions about the universe, rather to learn about electricity and Rust. Throughout this video, I will explain the general flow of electricity, introduce each component, and common electricity uses. It's easy, quick, and painless so you can get electricity up in your base in no time. Electricity works like this. During the day, you have the sunlight that produces energy. At nighttime, you have the wind that produces energy. To gather this energy, you need one of two solar panel. The most common setup after this is to route it through your base via a splitter. When routing through the base, it's recommended to store the energy in either a small or large rechargeable battery, and then you continue the routing throughout the base with various items such as switches. All items in this tutorial can be crafted using a specific workbench. Search for this on your craft bar, and a few items can be purchased at select monuments. First up is the wire. This is a default craftable blueprint. To use, left click on any electricity